Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining in for this live session. So, this is kind of something that I wanted to share, and this is something that I wanted to tell everyone what I'm trying to do. So, so this morning, it's like normal, right, for all of us that we get up in the morning, and as soon as we get up, we have this habit of checking our WhatsApp status message, Instagram stories, posts, lives, everything we start checking. That's become like the daily routine, and for many, it is actually like before even we brush our teeth or do our what is requirement in that early morning course, we actually do this, right? And it includes me as well. It's not like I am somebody different, so I also end up doing that. So this morning when I finished all my course, like early morning course, kitchen work and everything, I was actually, when I opened the Instagram post, one of my friends' post was actually quite disturbing to me, and I realized the post said that almost, to be precise, almost 5 million people, 5 million people have lost their jobs, salaried jobs. Can you imagine 5 million salaried jobs, not like daily wages or somebody? 5 million salaried jobs, people have lost their job. And this is not something that is from random data. It's Center for Indian Economy. It's a platform, or it's a organization that's monitoring the Indian economy on a daily basis. So that has given the data saying 5 million people have lost their salary jobs in the month of July alone. Can you imagine how big the impact of pandemic is? And when you look at the span of 6 months since March, I should be saying it's almost 18.6 million people in India. So this is specifically to India, not globally. Specifically to India, if you look at it, 18.6 million people have lost their jobs, and we don't know what is happening, right? Because maybe with all these pandemics, when every dynamic is changing, all the requirements are changing, the way we approach career has to be changed. It cannot be like before, like we have graduated BCom, okay, we have a resume today, tomorrow you're going to get a job. No, the situations have changed. The way we look at things has to change. So the way we approach career has to change. Our mindsets have to change. Just like how online schooling has come for children. For it's such a big thing, because it's a difference for the children, for the teachers, for the management, for the parents. Everything it's actually complete, and that requires a mindset change, and it requires adaptability. And kudos to a lot of children who are actually adapting it and actually pushing through. I don't know how successful it is, but they are pushing through. And just like that, in the same manner, if you look at it, the way we are going to approach career has to be changing. The way we approach our professional goals has to change, because it's no longer that we could just upload a resume on job portals and we will be getting calls. Things are changing. The way we look at our resumes, the way we actually, the whole perspective of career is changed, because the needs of the companies are changing, the needs of the industries are changing, the way the company is going to look at a resource is completely changing, because they're going to be very stringent. They'll be very cautious in recruiting, definitely, because so much of pandemic is going on. We don't know when some domain is going up and some domain is going down. We don't know when is actually when your company might go under layoff or something. So it is very important that we have a different and very flexible and what to say, a very open-minded career approach, not be in a rigid system where, or rigid thought process. So what I have decided is, I have decided and structured a very uh, clean, simple and effective, for that matter, because this is before pandemic and post all the past 6 months. I have tested with a lot of people, and I've structured this WhatsApp 5 days training and mentoring course at rupees 350. The payment link is in the bio. So this is a 5 days WhatsApp training and a training session, where you will get 2 days of Zoom session is there, and all the other video recordings are pre-recorded. You can just check out the video, and you can just connect to us or connect to me on the group that I'll be creating, and everything else will be shared with you. You could just ask queries, how to go about, what to do and everything. So one of the biggest things or the key takeaways I would say would be, number one will be the way you approach I will be helping you to change your mindset. The way you approach is going to be completely changing. I'll be helping you to do that. I'll be helping you how to embrace it. And next will be the importance of how you actually search a job. It's going to be totally different. And the way you approach one job profile is going to be totally different. Next will be elements of a resume. Now resume is not going to be like how you go on how it used to be. Resumes, the way you approach, the way you write a resume, the way you read a resume is going to be different. So you will learn what to prepare for an interview, how to prepare for an interview, how to respond in an interview, because today interviews are not, it's going to be Zoom sessions on interviews. So learning in Zoom sessions, interviewing in Zoom sessions is going to be totally different from the interview sessions that is happening in when you do it in face to face, for that matter. So the way you approach Zoom interview sessions, that is going to change. I'm going to help you on how to build your personal communication, personal relationship with how you actually handle your career. That is what I'm going to take. And the final thing that all of you will actually agree and be firm on the thought that yes, I need to learn this, is how are we going to handle success as well as rejection. It's not just about success or just about rejection. So many things are actually needed, and how you're going to handle a success and a rejection. I will trust me when I say that today if you want to get a job, it's not easy. You will need to actually get rejected so many times and then you get a job, and that is very, very critical and important. Why is it important? That you will learn in here, and you will also learn how to embrace that rejection in a very, very sportive spirit. Because so many times we feel rejected. It happens in our personal life as well as professional life. So how do we handle it? How do we don't frown on that, and how do we look forward to the next thing? That is very, very important, and there is a way you actually implement it as a system inside you, make it as a habit to handle this success as well as rejection. So this is very, very a very well designed, well structured and well thought course that is actually very, very specific to these modern times. It's not like the new generation or the new times when career and the professional environments and the needs of the company, the requirements of the industry, how the companies are looking towards resources, everything is changing. So it is designed specifically around these concepts. So this is going to be a well-packed 5 days course that you can learn at your own pace. Yes, you will have 2 live Zoom sessions, and rest of all will be pre-recorded videos I'll be sharing every day. And for that matter, it will be so comfortable that you can listen to it, work on it, and set things as per your comfort, as per your time. So you don't have to be like fixed on like all the timings, all the days, and when the Zoom sessions are about to happen. It will be like just 2 days of Zoom sessions, 1 hour and 1 hour, and you will get the details once you register it. So it's from September 1st to September 5th. 5 days WhatsApp training and mentoring, career training and mentoring course, and the payment link is in the bio, definitely, and I will share the rest of the details in the message as well. And one of the biggest things I would like to tell after you attend this session is, I guarantee you will be mentally confident about going ahead with your career, irrespective of whichever stage you are in. You could be a beginner or an intermediate or advanced or a senior level person or a middle management person, anybody. You will not have that hiccups. You will know how to go about, how to proceed, how to pause and take over, introspect yourself. You will learn all this, because at every stage of your career, irrespective of whether somebody is in senior management or in the lower scale, doesn't matter. We all need to introspect. And it is very, very important that how we introspect ourselves, that is more and more important, because it's not like just sitting down, okay, how many certifications I have, what is the salary I've got, what is the salary I need to get. It's not just about that. We have to look beyond that, and that is what you're going to actually learn in this 5 days course. Because for all of us, kind of job is like kind of our identity, right? The day we, and kind of society also has totally ingrained that in our mind, because it has said like somewhere, when somebody has a very good job or is in a very reputed position, we value that person a lot. And the moment he or she loses the job, kind of that respect unconsciously, it's not that we intentionally do, but unconsciously we just take it away. And there are millions of people who are suffering this pain very silently, because in our society, it is not, we don't consider nice that if somebody is being laid off. That's why, and people don't openly talk about it. So maybe maybe someone next door to you is actually going through this pain, and you and I are not knowing it. So it is very important that we spread this thought that it's okay to get laid off, it's okay to actually lose a job, it's okay to just lose and then regain yourself. That is very, very important, because unless until we are ready to be vulnerable, to know who we are, we will never know what we are going to do and what we want in life. So it is very important that we actually need to be open to these kinds of vulnerabilities, experience those downs, those small issues with our life or professional life, those little downs in life. We need to experience, because that's what learning is. And that when you go through that learning, and then when you succeed, it's a different joy, and it comes only when you experience it. Because experience gives so much of learning, so much of comfort actually, because that's how I look at it. Even when things are at sad times, I look at it as like, okay, this is just a phase that I'm going through, and it's an experience, and I'm learning to be tougher, I'm learning to be more open, I'm learning to be more flexible. So I think all this is what a career has to be. A career cannot be some straight line that is drawn. It can never be like that. It has to have some ups and downs, and how you embrace it matters a lot, matters completely a lot. So this 5-day course has everything that you actually need, and it's just as minimal as possible. It's rupees 350 per head, but I would say that I have very, very limited seats for that matter, because I generally believe that lesser people, more focus I could give, and I would help as qualitative help I can give. So for all the details, I'll be putting all sorry for that matter. I'll be putting the poster, and the link is in bio. I will be putting it very soon after this live session ends. And one of the biggest things that, or biggest help that you could do is, please do share this video, share the poster that I'm gonna put it after this video, because I believe that one share actually matters a lot. Maybe somewhere someone is in need of this, and they need this support system, they need this actually little push that they have to, and they need to listen to this, because somewhere we need that right person, or some person telling us that you can do this, you have to push yourself to do that. So it is very important that we all actually be there. When we just say that it's not necessary or it's not effective, we're just putting status message that I'm there, you can call me anytime. No, what you there, how you are supporting each other, how you actually being there for each other is through by sharing right messages to them at the right time, because you never know what the other person is going through. And I totally believe in it, because it's in this society when there is so much of chaos, so much of conversations going on, the actual pain points are never discussed. The actual thoughts that are actually pressing people to depression, pressing people to worry is never discussed. So I would request all of you who is watching this video, please do share this video. Maybe somewhere you might not need it, somewhere who has actually lost a job, or who is actually in search of a job, or for that matter who wants to secure the job. and ensure their future is safe for them, for everybody. This 5-day course will be really really useful. Please do share, and you can DM me for any kind of queries. I'm always here to help you. Thank you so much for joining in the live session. Have a fabulous day. Take care.